If Spotify keeps turning off your music after like 10 seconds and you're trying to play your liked songs and it keeps just skipping over them, then go to your Spotify app in the App Store. This is on an iPhone. Should be the same with the Apple or the Google Play Store. Just go and update your Spotify app. When I came here, it said update, so I went update. Let's open it and see what happens. Let's try it. Still doing it. Maybe I need to close the app all the way. If you know what's going on here, then leave in the comments your fix. Thanks.